Like it or not.
Alright, what day is it today, Carl?
Saturday in April.
In April, doesn't matter what day. Riding the bike.
I hit my knee on the bars, these things are freaking small.
Yeah, he did. So it's Saturday. Finally got some dry conditions to ride in. We're all on the pit bikes. Hunter's on his big bike. Pretty warm out today. So we're gonna get a little ride in. There he is! Look at that new helmet. Look at that thing.
2018, boy.
Marvin Muskeen got the new setup. Bartle is gonna jump that jump. You are nasty.
No, no.
It's a little small for a big bike.
Come up through here.
Huh?
Or just come up through here, that way it's not wet.
On the right side, you just fucking...
Yeah, I didn't know there was a fucking opposite.
How's it going, Jeffrey?
What's up, man?
Where were you this morning, Jeff?
It's at a car show, man.
Yeah?
It's pretty good.
You know, everybody looks good in the close-up except for Kyle.
When does car look good, dude? We're at the mother's house right now.
We are, the La Madres.
My girlfriend's house. Nice little track.
Yeah, Jeff's girlfriend.
Yeah. Gonna hit up Field of Dreams tomorrow. Me and Jeffrey.
No, I'm hitting on the pitter.
No way.
No way.
No way. No way.
There he goes.
There he is.
Oh, slow down, Carl.
No way.
No way.
Probably the fastest lap time of the day.
I'd say.
No way.
Yeah, I'll let you start on that.
He doesn't even have electric skill. Wow!
I just moved! I just moved!
Fresh side.
the moto shed. Rode all weekend. Bikes are dirty. You gotta clean them this week.
UPS.
Yo, get out of there. That's my hoagie in there.
Yo,
My carrot cake.
UPS. Somebody here to sign?
What did you get, Jeff?
Bunch of goodies in here.
All those go-go parts.
All the go-go
Oh!
parts there, baby. We had an FMF shorty. We installed that today.
We did.
Here she
On
is.
the track.
Took 2 hours to put on.
Yeah. It's just we got 2 bolts there.
Doesn't
And that's
sound any
it.
different. It sounds like crap, actually.
Looks good though.
Some
Let me see what
sprockets.
you got.
Sprockets,
Some
wheel
bearings.
bearings, some hand guards.
All
Whoa,
poop.
look at that
Wow.
pretty boy.
Let me see this.
Look at that pretty
Check
boy.
her out,
Oh,
baby.
man, that thing's gonna look good on that. I can get through here.
Put that on the CR.
That looks better.
Oh, yeah.
I'm telling you, it'll look better on the CR.
We're gonna put it up to the blue. It's almost dead on the same
Yeah.
color.
It is.
Right.
It is. Those hand guards will look nice though.
Yeah.
They're gonna look really nice.
So you can
But-
wail on
Yo,
the trees
you got
and
some
them.
stickers.
Huh?
Stickers.
Well, that's why I bought the shorty. I was like,
We
They
can
had some
resell them.
horsepower.
where can you buy
Oh,
FMS stickers for
stickers.
under
Throw that.
120 bucks?
Throw that right on the table.
Stickers.
Right on the table there, champ.
Sticker. What are you?
My carrot cake.
Really?
Absolutely. It's only a day old, but it's.
Oh my goodness. Dirty. Dirty.
Yeah, I ran through the mud today.
Bartle's getting a shock done.
BSC.
None. Yep.
Oh yeah, give him a little preview of Carl's bike
Yeah,
here.
here's Carl's 125, the 99, powder coated. Didn't get the swing arm done, but it should be back together before this weekend too. Everybody's big bike will be ready before next weekend and before Breezewood.
Lee won't still have a bike, so.
Yeah, he has his better.
The Just
Oh,
Mobile.
where is Lee right now?
Ah, I can only imagine.
You can only imagine.
Leave it at that.
Oh my gosh.
Nah, he's helping
What do you
his
got?
pops out, he says.
Yeah,
Wow, dot 4.
he's helping his.
My
It's not the only thing he's helping.
God, brutal.
That was
We need to
mean.
get more black stickers.
yeah.
So I can
Yeah,
put one on my.
yeah, we are making our website soon. We're slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. It's happening, but
A little more time than we expected,
Yeah.
but
paperwork's tough. We don't
Yeah.
know how to. We don't know how to read. No one knows how to read. All right. Is everything out? There's still more stuff in the truck. The radio.
Chalky!
Chalky.
My Gatorade!
Just bring my helmet and I guess the.
Okay, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, grab that. Clowns.
Should I go home and wash my helmet?
Huh?
You guys should wash that thing?
I mean, just soap and water. They outside.
Yeah, I think you need to wash it for all that mud riding you did this weekend.
It's muddy. It's pretty new, boy.
All right. Well, that's a wrap to the weekend.
Yeah, wrap it up.
We'll
Wrap
catch
it
you
up,
guys
wrap it
next
up, wrap it
weekend.
up. Wrap it up, wrap it up, wrap it up.
Jeffrey.
That should be like a condom
Yeah, later,
commercial.
bro. Later, Brad.
Later,
Later, Brad.
Later,
See you, bro. I'm Chad.
Yeah. I'll see you, Vito.
Yeah.
I'll see you, Tucker.
See ya.
Peace.